Let's start. The project name is Recyclerview Nested. Let's see the project structure. Here we have the main activity, a parent and a child model class, and a parent and a child adapter class. And in the UI, we have activity_main.xml, which is the layout of the main activity. A row_parent.xml file, which defines the layout of the parent Recyclerview. And a row_child.xml file, which defines the layout of the child Recyclerview. Let's see the UI. Here we have the Recyclerview. The height and width of the Recyclerview match the parent. Let's see the code. The constraint layout is the root layout. And this is the Recyclerview. In the row_parent.xml file, we have a text view, and a Recyclerview whose visibility is gone as of now. The text view will be used as the header, and the Recyclerview will be used as the nested Recyclerview. Let's see the code. The constraint layout is the root layout. This is the text view. And this is the Recyclerview. In the row_child.xml file, we have a text view. Let's see the code. The constraint layout is the root layout. And this is the text view. Let's see the Java code now. This is the parent model class, with a string variable, an array list, and a Boolean variable as the data members. The string variable will be used as the header of the nested Recyclerview. The array list will be used as the nested Recyclerview. And the Boolean variable will handle the visibility status of the nested Recyclerview. This is the child model class, with a string variable as the data member. This model class will be used to populate the nested Recyclerview. These are the imports. This is parent adapter class. These are the data members, which contain an array list of the parent model class type, and a recycled view pool. The recycled view pool helps in the communication between two Recyclerviews. This is the constructor. In the onCreateView holder function, we inflate the row_parent.xml file, and pass that view into the view holder class. In the bindView holder function, we fetch the data from the parent model class, one by one, and show it in the text view. Here we set up the child Recyclerview as the nested Recyclerview. Here we handle the visibility of the child Recyclerview. In the getItemCount function, we calculate the total number of rows in the Recyclerview. This is the view holder class. These are the data members of the class. In the constructor, we set the onClick listener of the row. So when a row of the Recyclerview is clicked, we show its name in a toast. And simultaneously, we show its respective nested Recyclerview. This is the child adapter class. These are the data members, which contain the array lists of the parent and child model class type. This is the constructor. In the onCreateView holder function, we inflate the row_child.xml file, and pass that view into the view holder class. In the bindView holder function, we fetch the data from the child model class, one by one, and show it in the text view. In the getItemCount function, we calculate the total number of rows in the Recyclerview. This is the view holder class. In the constructor, we set the onClick listener of the row. So when a row of the Recyclerview is clicked, we show its name in a toast. These are the imports. This is the main activity. These are the data members. Here we have the array lists of the parent and child model class types. And an array of strings, which we will use to fill the Recyclerview data. In the getParentData function, we fetch the data from the parent array, and put it inside the parent array list, as a Recyclerview needs the data in array list format. In the getChildData function, we fetch the data from the child arrays, and put it inside the child array list. In the onCreate function, we have created an object of myAdapter class, and passed the array list data in it, using the getData function. Then we set the layout of the Recyclerview as linear. There are several types such as linear, horizontal, staggered, etc. Then we set the item animator and item decoration attributes of the Recyclerview. And finally, we set the adapter object into our Recyclerview. Let's run the app. As you can see, the Recyclerview has been populated with the data that we had passed in it. And as I click any row, its name shows up in a toast and the nested Recyclerview becomes visible. And as I click the nested Recyclerview item, the name of the header, which is the parent name, and the name of the child item is shown in the toast. And if I click the header again, the nested Recyclerview becomes hidden. So that's it. That's how you can implement a nested Recyclerview in Java Android. Thanks for watching.